In this video, let me show you how to open a public bank account online in Malaysia. Now, in order to do this, you need to download the application of a public bank onto your device. And once the application has been downloaded, on the home screen, you're going to see the option called Apply being displayed. If not, you can see the account option being displayed on the bottom and simply tap on the Apply Savings Account. Now, before you begin the process, make sure that you have a few information with you, such as you need to provide a valid ID, as well as you need to take a video selfie or a photo selfie of yourself. So make sure that your front camera of your phone is also working. So just tap on the next option on the bottom, and you can start off by tapping in the MyKad number and then simply tap on next. And in the next step, it is going to ask you to take a biometric scan, as I said, a video selfie of yourself, and then lastly you need to create a user ID and a password. So this is the exact steps that you need to follow. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.